Looking at our collision statistics here in Saskatchewan, nearly half of all collisions happen at intersections. The reason we're at this particular intersection is because the intersection of Louvain and Dewdney is in the top 10 for SGI's most frequent collision intersections. We see an average of about 40 collisions every year at this intersection alone. But when you think about the fact that we have tens of thousands of intersections in this province, we want drivers to think about what they're supposed to do as they pass through each and every one of them.
You know, during winter driving, there's a lot more potential for accidents. You need to adjust your speed for the road conditions and be prepared that it's going to take a lot more time for you to stop in those icy and snowy conditions.
So we're also talking about winter driving conditions, and of course we're not dealing with snow and ice right now, although that's going to be coming. And we do see, of course, whenever that first big snow dump happens, wherever you're living in Saskatchewan, there does tend to be that spike in collision claims reported to SGI. It happens every year without fail. So we'd like drivers to think about what they are doing and what they're going to be prepared to do when that happens, rather than dealing with it the first morning that it does happen.
The Saskatchewan Safety Council provides a Skid Smart winter driving course. We have a big ice pad that we flood, and we have people come out in their vehicles and teach them how to properly control their vehicle on an icy and slippery surface.